Hi, my name is Holly and I started the Ultimate Etsy course in October of 2025. When I started the course, I did already have an Etsy shop. My shop I opened up in March of 2025, selling strictly digital products. I did go into the course having quite a bit of sales from those digital products. I would say I had about 500, a little over 500 sales. And since joining the course, I have learned so much. I thought my shop was set up for success. Little did I know there was a lot that I was actually missing out on. The coaches and Dylan, they really teach you about optimizing your shop, how to make your shop look more appealing, how to set your shop up for your profitable customer, There are just so many things that I didn't realize I needed to take in account for setting up my shop and setting it up for the future as well. I now have a little over 600 sales, so I'm very close to 700. I believe I'm about 10 or 20 away. I have realized the importance of evergreen products. I did have a lot of holiday items in my shop, and understandably, that is not something that is going to set you up for success in the long term, because if you're only bringing in customers searching for holiday items, that's only a few times a year. It's not throughout the entire year. So I'm looking forward to really implementing those evergreen products as well and looking to add physical items. I really wanted to learn how to sell products on Etsy that aren't just digital, which is a really big reason as to why I joined the course. I felt that Dylan was extremely knowledgeable in how to sell on Etsy, and a lot of this information I know I wouldn't be able to find online in the amount of time that you have joining the Ultimate Etsy course. So being able to have access for a year is huge. I'm really looking forward to see what growth I make. I will be perfectly honest, I am a little bit disappointed in myself and not taking full advantage of what the course has to offer. I am a mom. I also ended up getting sick recently. However, I am learning how to manage my time, and that is also something that the coaches and the course has to offer as well. There are many videos and resources for you to find, and you have also access to others in the course that you can talk to as well that are going through the exact same thing as you. So moving forward into 2026, my goals are to fully take advantage of my coaches, to look and research all of the videos that are available to me. I also am planning on implementing those physical products. I'm really just looking forward to 2026 and seeing how much I continue to grow. And I really just want to thank Dylan for taking the time, her team as well, taking the time to create a course that is catered and centered to different people in their Etsy journey, whether you're just starting off without an Etsy shop or you've been starting this course with, thousands of sales. I just really have been impressed and can't wait to see what 2026 brings. Thanks, Dylan, and thank you, coaches. I appreciate you.